Hello everyone. From the last many days we are uploading various videos in our YouTube channel, and in the last class I have uploaded that parts of speech, and also I have explained that different kinds of parts like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, and the same like in the previous class we have discussed nouns. Parts of speech. In that parts of speech, we have discussed that nouns. The previous class we have discussed that nouns. So nouns are nothing but all the naming words are called as nouns. I have explained in the previous video, and in this video I am going to explain about the things, four kinds of nouns that are abstract noun. So first one is abstract noun, and the second one is concrete nouns, and the third one is that so first one is I told that four types of nouns are there. The first one is that abstract noun, and the second one is that concrete noun, and the third one is that material noun, and the fourth one is that collective noun. Firstly, we have to focus on abstract noun. Before that, we'll learn concrete noun. So concrete noun is nothing but the words represents something like which you can see and which you can touch and which you can perceive. So that is or called as that concrete nouns. So firstly, concrete nouns. So just like we are touching and we are seeing this chalk piece. So this is a concrete noun, and we are seeing the watch and time and we are touching it. This is the concrete noun, and the board and the duster and the fan on the wall. Everything we are touching it and we are seeing it. This kind of all nouns are called as that concrete nouns. So right, next one is that abstract noun. So abstract noun is nothing but whatever you cannot see and we cannot touch, but we can imagine and also we can feel, that are all called as that abstract nouns. So for example, you cannot see that pain, you cannot see the beauty. So means you cannot touch the beauty, but you can feel it. And also death. For example, death is a word, and also it is a one of the abstract noun. Death means you cannot touch the death, you cannot see the death, but you can imagine it, you can feel it. The person is died means you are imagining yourself and also you are feeling yourself. For example, knowledge. You cannot touch the knowledge, you cannot see the knowledge, but you can feel it and also you can imagine it. And also like disease. Disease. You cannot touch the disease, you cannot see the disease, but you can feel it. And also fever. Fever, you cannot touch the fever, you cannot see the fever, but you can imagine yourself and also you can feel a fever. So these are all, whichever you are not touching, whichever you are not seeing, these are all kinds of words are called as that abstract nouns. Abstract noun. And also coming to the material noun, materials are nouns are nothing but something like products, something like silver, gold, iron, mercury, like this kind of words are called as that material nouns. For example, silver, gold, iron, and some other things. These are all called as that material noun. By this material you are preparing or making other kind of things or materials like items. For example, with the wood is a material. Wood is a material. By using wood, we can make dusters, we can make tables, we can make windows, right? So that kind of things are called as that material. For example, silver. By the silver, we can prepare chains, we can prepare some ornaments, different kinds of things. So this is a material. And also same like gold, also a material. By using this gold material, we are preparing various kinds of ornaments. And something like iron. With the iron, we are preparing some windows, we are preparing the doors, and we are preparing the making the chairs and tables. This kind of things are called as that materials. The best example of this is a wooden table. This is a wooden board. Something like based on that particular material, we are preparing other things called as that materials. And now coming to the last one, collective noun. A collective noun is nothing but a group of things are considered. A group of things are comes in a particular class is called as that collective noun. For example, army. Army means army officer. That may be the singular forms, that may be the plural forms. We say that army, a group of people or a group of soldiers. Police and class and committee. A committee and also parliament. So these are all the group of things, group of people. Army is a group of people, police is a group of people, class is a group of students, committee is a group of members, and also parliament, a group of legislatures or a group of parliament members. We can call it as a group of things. So that's why this noun is considered as collective nouns. Means we are saying and we are conveying a group of things in a single word. That's why we have to say that it's a collective noun. So right, next one. So next one is that we have to learn pronouns. So pronouns. Instead of naming words, we have to use different kinds of words that are all called as that pronouns. For example, Mahesh, Suresh, city, Hyderabad. This kind of words we are mentioning. So instead of that using names, we have to use different kinds of words that are all called pronouns. So pronouns, we have different kinds of pronouns are there. So almost all 8 to 10 pronouns are there. So we'll discuss about first one. Personal pronouns. So personal pronouns are nothing but that deals with the especially person, like first person, second person, third person, and subjective pronoun, objective pronoun. This kind of pronouns are there. In pronouns, various types of pronouns are there. First one is personal pronoun. The second one is that reflexive pronoun. And the third one is that emphatic. Emphatic pronoun. The fourth one is that demonstrative pronoun. Fifth one is that indefinite. Indefinite pronoun. Sixth one is that interrogative pronoun. Seventh one is that distributive pronoun. Eighth one is that reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun. And the ninth one is that relative pronoun. A relative pronoun. Almost all 9 pronouns and important pronouns I have mentioned here. So total important pronouns are 9 pronouns are there. Firstly, we have to discuss about that personal pronoun. Later, one by one, we will discuss various kinds of pronouns. Firstly, we have to focus on personal pronouns. Firstly, we have many kinds of pronouns are there. One among them, personal pronouns. In detail, we have to understand the personal pronoun. Then only we can learn properly. So, firstly, personal pronouns are divided into many types, like first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronouns. So, firstly, first person is nothing but I am the first person. I am talking about you and I am talking with you. Is called as the first person, and the second person is nothing but who are the listeners are there, we can say that he is the second person, and the third person is nothing but we are talking about other person. Maybe he is beside of you and he is staying a particular another place. We can say that he is a third person. So first person, we can say singular and plural form. Singular is nothing but one, and plural is nothing but more than two is called as that plural. So every first person, second person, third person having the singular forms, plural forms, singular forms, plural forms. So say it is divided as that subject, object, possessive and reflexive. So first one, singular. Singular means I. Plural means more than two. First person, I, me, my, myself is a first person. I am the first person. I am talking about a person. I, me, my, myself are first person. So in this first person that are divided as subject I, object me, possessiveness mine or my, and also myself. Reflexive pronoun. The reflexive pronoun is nothing but that is reflecting against you and that is reflecting on you. Is called as that reflexive pronoun. Example is myself. And coming to that, plural forms. Plural means more than two. Just before I have told that we means I have included in this in that group is called as that we, as, our, ours, ourselves. These are all words comes from that plural forms. Plural means more than two. And the second person. Second person is nothing but we are talking or I am talking about a particular thing or about you is called as that second person. You, yourself, yourself. Mostly the second person pronouns are that mostly the same. You can see singular form same, plural form same, singular form same, plural form same. These are all the same, but except this one. This is the more than themselves, yourself, and this is the yourself means particular one person. And also third person. Third person is nothing but we both are discussing about outside person or beside of a person, that is called third person. He, him, his, himself. She, hers, herself. Itself. So it is nothing but it is used particularly for the things or materials or a particular other things. So it is used. So they is nothing but plural form. They, them, they, themselves. So we have to use the pronouns based on the sentence, based on the situation, based on the condition. So we have to use different kinds of person. So similar and suitable pronouns we have to use in a proper sentence is called as that different kinds of pronouns or personal pronouns. So based on sentence which is suitable pronoun is there, that only we have to use, then only the sentence will be the correct. Otherwise the sentence will be the wrong sentence. So learning the personal pronoun is very important. In the grammar topic, not only the pronouns, every grammar point is useful. any kind of writing or any kind of speaking, that time this kind of pronouns will be helpful. So today we have discussed that types of nouns. In the previous class we have already discussed briefly about noun, and in this class we have discussed nouns and also the pronouns. So this is the major and important topics. Better you take a screenshot also. If you are preparing a notes, that will be helpful to you. So you can take the screenshot. So if you like my video, share it and subscribe it and like it. And thank you for watching.